So how much money did I make on Flip after 3 weeks just from posting videos? I'm going to be covering that and of course how to cash out and what happens when your video goes low-key viral. I'm also going to be covering the snowball effect. You want to watch this coming up next. Hey, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and I cover things on social media, tips, tricks, tutorials, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and now Flip. What's up, fam? Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Let's get into it. So I am going to do a screen recording. This way you can follow along with me. Man, I am excited for this video because I had to wait. I had to test the waters. I had to do a bunch of stuff. All right, so now we are on my channel, Quincy C. Moreland. Follow me on Flip. Let's engage. I can help you grow. You can help me. We can all be in this together. I love this platform. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so Flip, I call it fully living in purpose. That's what I call it because Flip is changing the game for real, for real. All right, new year, new things, new beginnings. And anyway, so my first week on Flip, I was learning, and you get paid to scroll. I covered that in another video. You'll probably see it here. And every time you scroll, your change is going up. Okay, but what I want to show you um as I go on my profile, you will see that I have videos that have 1,900 views, 1,200, and things are going up to 1,200, 1,200. Those videos weren't always like that. All right, I've only been on here 3 weeks. They stayed in the 200, 300, 400 range. Okay, if you want a platform to migrate to, all right, Flip is the platform. Flip is YouTube, right? Just like YouTube monetizes, Flip monetizes you from day one. All you have to do is buy one product. Okay, but you probably already know that. So I'm going to get to how much money I made. All right. Now, I didn't start making money until I reviewed at least 2 or 3 products. You do make money, but what I'm talking about is the bigger money, right? There's people talking about they've made, 2,000, 3,000, all kind of, money like that. Once I reviewed a couple of items that I bought, because you can only make a flip once you get that product in the mail, then I started having eyes on my videos. Okay, but here's the thing. Make content, find out what you want to talk about outside of reviews. Okay, yes, the app is a shop app, but you want to have something, right? So if you like skiing, if you like basketball, if you like cooking, have something. That way, when you buy products to review, it's likely in the field of what you want to talk about. But if you have nothing to talk about, just reviews, you want to, whether it's tech gadgets or makeup or cooking, trust me, these are the channels that are taking off. These are the channels that they're always baking something, they're always cooking something, they're always showing their recipe. For myself, whether it's earbuds or watches, gadgets, like that, you want to have something. If it's makeup tutorial, hey, because you're gonna be able to monetize just off of videos you make, period. And you don't want to just sit in front of the camera. Hey, what's up, y'all? This is my video for today. Ain't nobody watching that video. You got 3 seconds. Flip is paying you for the first 3 seconds. Your video can hit 10,000 views, 20,000 views, but they're only paying you for the people that watched the first 3 seconds. Okay, if they watched and scrolled off in 1 second, yeah, you get that toward a view count, but you're not getting paid for that 1 second. So that's why you want to kind of, uh, you know, tighten it up. Get a little professional, get a little, find out what you really want to talk about. If I got this phone in the mail, I'm talking about this phone, but I'm going to tell you a story. I'm gonna have something. Hey, today in basketball, I shook someone, shot a 3 pointer, and man, you know what? The basketball landed on my phone. You know what I'm saying? So I had to go out and get a new one. This iPhone right here. You know what I'm saying? You want to have something to talk about, bring to the table. All right. So my first week um was cool. I think I made about $8, $12, 3 weeks in, okay, from scrolling and posting videos. I'm talking 3 to 5 videos a day, right? I just said, no, I have to do this. I'm going to show you what I made. 3 to 5 videos a day. Let's go up here to where it says my wallet, 273. That is not what I made. That is money that can go toward me buying something. If you haven't learned the app yet, $273 is from me scrolling. That's all the money I've generated. Okay. And also, your first three items, you get up to 70% off or 60% off. But after your first three items, you only get 30% off on everything you buy from there on out. So that's why it's important that you make sure that you get the most discount that you can on those first three items. All right, so click on wallet, bam, 106, $106 just from me posting content, just from me, talking about tips and tricks, reviewing products, because you do get paid on the views that you get from reviewing products also. All right. You can generate sales and you get a percentage of those sales, but also for the views of those reviews that you're doing, you get paid as well. Think about it like this: people on YouTube have to have 1,000 subscribers, and they also have to have 4,000 watched hours to be monetized. And then when that happens, you're only getting paid off of views, which is good. And then, of course, there's other ways that you can get payment as well. On TikTok, it used to be you have to have 10,000 followers, right? And over 20,000 or something like that views in 30 days to get monetized. And now they have changed it to where not any type of video can be monetized. And now those videos have to be over a minute long, right? So Flip, which has been around since 2022, but I just joined at the end of uh, actually in January 2025 this year. From day one, all you got to do is buy one product. People are buying Juicy Bomb, the cheapest product on there, 89 cents. My wife just got hers in the mail today. People are buying one product and then they're posting videos. Now, they still probably feel in their heart, you know what? I probably should buy some other products and do some reviews because it's a shop app. It's a shop app, but there's all kinds of categories, cooking, beauty, fashion, entertainment, comedy. There's all kinds of categories. So, you review products, honest review. That's another thing. It's not like TikTok Shop because those companies are sending you free samples. So they kind of want you to say a little something and review it this way, do this or do that. I got a ring in the mail and they wanted me to make sure that I cater that ring towards Valentine's Day. So I had some stipulations. I had some things that I had to do to please the company because they sent me something that was of value. Versus on Flip, buying the product myself. I'm spending my own money. So guess what? I'm gonna tell you my honest review, good or bad. And guess what? It doesn't matter because I'm still getting paid off of the views. Now, Flip does get a percentage off of the sales, and of course the views. So people want to know how do they make their money, they're getting a percentage. But anyway, so February alone, we're on today is February 7th. I made $77. All right. I know you're looking at that and you're waiting for me to cover it. Uh, February 7th is today, and I've made $77.20. How is that possible? Because the last 2 weeks in January, I was making videos, 3 videos a day, 2 videos a day. One time I made 5 videos a day. So those videos are now gaining traction, as you saw over here. Some of these videos I made 3 weeks ago. I promise you, these videos had, 89 views, 20 views. And then as I started doing more and as I started scrolling on the feed and engaging and liking and commenting and sharing, whether it be to my wife or to myself, people's videos, when you like people's videos and comment, then they want to check your profile out. And if you have more followers than they do, likely they're going to follow you. And so we're all helping each other. It's a community. I help you get views, you help me get views. It's like the perfect group or Discord, but it's an app. Everyone's going to Discords and all these, Facebook groups. This is like a Facebook group on steroids, because um because uh everyone is trying to help each other grow. All right, so when we go up here and we see $77.20. All right, now here's the thing. My first sale is pending, $14.98. Okay. I don't even know what they bought. Okay, it doesn't show that yet, so I'm learning. We're all learning. But what I do know is I can cash out $106 right now if I wanted to. All right, one other thing to keep in mind is you have to have a $50 minimum balance in there to cash out. You can't cash out 45 or 30. It has to be at least 50. So right now I could cash out if I want to, but I'm gonna leave it in there because I want it to grow. So I got my first desire gift today. All right. What a desire gift is if you go over here to where it says videos saved desire, you can put stuff in your desire list, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's something that I desire, and people can buy those for you and send it to you. Why would someone to do that? It's no different from people on TikTok Live sending you gifts. Same thing. All right. People can click on this and they can buy it for you. So today I'm coming home from work and I see that Cupid, basically that means they wanted to stay anonymous, sent me a gift. And what was it? It was this right here, which is a an adapter, SD card, micro SD. You can put a USB in there and you can transfer files or videos from your phone to here. Now, I already have one, but I wanted another one for a different computer. And guess what? Some random person just decided they were going to buy that for me, and they can't see my address. Only the app sees my address. And guess what? It's on the way. And I can send a thank you letter and all of that. So now when you have your money in there, I'm going to show you when you get ready to cash out. All right, this is how you cash out, and you want to make sure you do it the correct way. I've heard a ton of stories, and I mean a ton of stories on people cashing out and sending their money not to their bank account, but to their Flip Cash because they're thinking, I want to flip this cash. And they're sending it to Flip Cash, which stays on the platform. No, don't do that. All right, you want to make sure you transfer it to your bank account. And right now we're going to go here. And if I clicked on cash out right now, it says Flip Cash, transfer earnings to credits you can use on Flip. All right, people just see Flip Cash and they click on that right away, and you don't want to do that. And what that is that $106 will now go to a folder that says Flip Cash. And that means now, whatever I buy on the platform, everything that I have goes toward that price and I don't have to pay a dime. So if I see something for $30 and out of the 106 I use $30, guess what? I pay $30 and I don't have a remaining balance, a remainder balance. It's on the way. The reason why I said that is because when you scroll right now, all of that money that is all of that money that is at the top, 273 and 11 cents, right now if I buy something for $30, it's going to give me 30% off. And then I still do have to pay the remaining 70%. But when you have money like this, $106, and I transfer it into Flip Cash, then whenever I see something, I can actually use that money and pay for the whole thing, and there is no remaining balance, and then it's on its way. All right. But when it comes to cash out, like I said, what you want to choose is bank transfer right there on the bottom. Send money to your bank account. I've seen videos where they've had 2,300, 3,600, and they're saying, "What did I do? Why did I?" And they're freaking out, but they're good because they know that they can make more money and they'll cash it out right the next time. Okay. Um, Tiers on icon requirements. Okay, so let me show you where I'm at right now. If you scroll over at the top, you see creator earnings, watch rewards, invite coupons, and on the house. The tiers is in the on the house section. Now, right now, I am on gold. I started off on silver, meaning I was getting 50 cents for every dollar I spent. And now I'm on gold. So every time I spend money, Flip is putting $1 in my account for every dollar I spend. They're putting $1 in my account. All right. So right now I'm at 8,900 views, and I have to maintain gold, and have 10,000 views um, in order to get ready to go to platinum. Here's the thing, it recently changed. Okay, that it just changed today. All right, platinum, it says 25 K views. It used to be it used to be 20 or lower. The one thing that is really different that everyone noticed about Icon today is Icon used to say 50K views, and now it says 250K views. What does this mean? This means that for every dollar you spend, Flip would pay you $4. So in your account, say if I bought, I don't know, say if I bought $10 of stuff, guess what? There would be $4 for every dollar I spent. So that's four times $10 bills, right? And that would be in your account. I think what happened is they saw that people were achieving 50K views left and right to where they recently just switched it and upped the icon requirements to 250K because people were landing on you know, easy numbers real quick. So let's talk about the snowball. Let's talk about the snowball effect. Okay. The snowball effect is keep posting 3 to 5 videos a day. Even if you just did 2 or 3 videos a day, at some point in a week or two, you're going to start seeing all of your videos increase in views, increase in comments. All right. You're going to, every time I post a video, I get about 4 or 5 followers. Doesn't happen all day, but if I posted a video right now, between now and the next 25 minutes, I end up gaining, 5 to 7 followers. And so if you're trying to get followers, post content. All right. Scroll, like, share, comment, engage, but post content. All right. There's so many things I want to be able to share on this video so that you know when you do a review on a product, you don't want to do it like TikTok, make 4 videos in a day. Do 1 video today, wait about, 4 or 5 days, do that review again. Okay, but you want to post different type of content before that. That's why it's important that you buy more than one product. All right. You don't want to spam the system because that can get your account banned or flagged. All right. So you want to be mindful of that. Comment below. Let me know what are you thinking right now in regards to Flip. While you're watching this video, what questions do you have? Hopefully, I can make a video and respond to those questions and hopefully have some answers that will help you on your journey. All right. I've met about 3 people on Flip, and I'm actually on a first name basis with them because that's what it's all about. So I can go to their profiles, check out their videos, help them grow. They do the same. I'm excited, and I hope that, if you're new to the Flip platform, you are ready to earn some money. That is the easiest $106 I've made in 3 weeks. Okay. On YouTube, basically I'm making $7 8 a day. There was a time in the past where I might make $5 a day on YouTube. Now I'm making more, but so just the fact that I'm posting on a platform to where I didn't have to have a certain follower account and I'm making, 8 9 12 $20 a day, it's a good feeling, and in 2 days I made $20. And so what I'm saying is if you downloaded the app, if you put in your bio, you're stuck on what to talk about, get over any fears, any anxieties that you have. Make a decision that you say, you know what, I'm going to do this. I have dreams, goals that you have for yourself, and just make it happen. Just get presentable, find a time. Real quick, me personally, I record in the afternoon, sometimes at night, but guess what? I also found a time in the morning while everyone is asleep. I hope that is a tip for you for those who can't find any time. Um, and hey, you know what? Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this that's going to help you grow on this platform. Be encouraged. And also reach out to me on Flip. Quincy C. Moreland is my profile. And also on TikTok if you have questions, also, because I'm teaching tips and tricks on my TikTok channel as well. My TikTok channel for Flip and other, TikTok related things is affiliate shop tips. Affiliate SHOP TIPS. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.